Courtney from Amethyst Adventures, and today we are going to be working on another DIY. You got it, Dollar Tree style, cause you know how your girl likes to ball out on a budget. Today we are going to be working on some decor items that will complement any boho, Afrocentric, or nautical theme. So stick with me and let's get into it. If you're new here, I would love to invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family by clicking on that subscribe button and hitting that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. So for today's DIY, I'm going to be taking one of these fluted vases from Dollar Tree and these Mardi Gras beads, also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be attaching them to the vase. So let's get started.
꿈만 속에 꿈이 아니겠지. 꿈이었어도 나 헤어나오지 못했어. I don't wanna wake up, just wanna back up. 우리가 함께했던 것으로 난 너무 슬퍼. 눈을 가렸어. 아무것도 보지 못하게. 넌 아마 내가 오늘 미워둔 기억 속에서 나를 찾고 있겠지.
Okay, now that our vase is completely dry, we're going to put 2 coats of Rustoleum Ultra Matte finish on that and allow it to dry. I bought these cute little candle holders from the Dollar Tree, and they are cute as they are, but you know me. I gotta do a little something extra. So right here, I have some jute twine that I also got from Dollar Tree, my glue gun, some extra glue sticks, and a scissor. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Excuse my dog out there carrying on. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the jute twine and tie a knot at the neck of the candle holder, and I'm gonna wind off quite a bit to get started. Okay, that seems like a good amount. Put that to the side. And if you remember, back in the days when we used to make those lanyard keychains, I am basically doing the same thing. And we're going to wrap the entire bottle. I'm going to make a loop on the side here and bring our whole string through. Pull it tight. Did you see that? Make a loop. Bring it around and pull it through. And then I'm going to go back the other way. Making a loop, bringing it around, and pulling it through. And if you remember those lanyard keychains that we used to make back in the days, same principle. Shout out anybody who still has their lanyard keychain. Hit me up, send me a picture. That'd be cute to see, cause I don't know what happened to mine. Make a loop, come around the bottle, and bring it through, just like doing a lanyard. Let me get this dog, cause she gonna drive me. Okay, let's get back to it. Here again, hold that. We're gonna make a loop around our fingers. Bring it around the bottle, pull it up and through. And that's gonna give you like a little knot. So before I continue on, this is why I have the hot glue here, because I felt like it was gonna slide on me. I'm gonna take a little bit of hot glue and I'm gonna put it at the beginning just to hold our string in place and keep everything tight up together, because that's the look we want. Okay. And I'm gonna do this a couple of more times so you can really see what I'm doing, because I want you to see what I'm doing, because this is how your pattern is gonna come together. I wrap it around my fingers, I make a loop, come around the candle holder, and then go up and through that loop. And you see that? That's what you want. And pull it nice and tight. And you want that to stay together. So every so often, just to hold it in place, I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue there. Because I want everything to stay in place as I continue to go around, okay? Of the bottle. And as you can see, your raised pattern is starting to come through. And you want to continue that till you have that, I believe it was called a snake. Shout me out if I'm right. The snake pattern that's going to wind all the way around down the neck of our candle holder all the way to the bottom. And when we get to the bottom, I want you to meet me there, and then I'm going to show you what the next step is to complete it. Okay, now that you see, I got all the way down to the bottom, and our pattern came out very nice. I'm going to go ahead, because my string is almost done, and attach another piece of string here so I continue to work on this. So this is where our hot glue really comes in, because as we do the top and the bottom, we're gonna need the hot glue to attach the jute string to our candle holder. Now this is very nice. Now the candle holder, first of all, is a very nice shape as is, but you know your girl gotta be extra. And as I get down here, I'm gonna start to put hot glue around the edge, just a little bit. And I hope you can make that out okay. And then I'm just gonna continue to wrap. Put a little bit of hot glue and wrap. And make sure it stays nice and tight and close together. You don't want any gaps. And we're just going to continue to wrap until we get all the way to the base of our candle holder. And don't worry about those little fuzzies. I'm going to show you how we fix that at the very end, okay? So don't worry like, oh, it's looking crazy, it's looking fuzzy, oh, this is not the look. Yeah, it's going to be the look. Just watch and see. Go ahead and clip off that little extra string, because you won't need that. Make a good knot there. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to continue to wrap the top. Hey. Now that we have our candle holder wrapped all the way to the top with our jute twine, there's one more step. And we want to get rid of all these little fuzzy pieces that are on there. Now, if there are any young people doing this craft at home, I would like you to ask for parental supervision before you do this next step. We're going to take a lighter and we're going to light it on fire. And this will get rid of all of those little fuzzies. And we'll also give you a nice color and bring out that design, which is what we want. To decorate our candle holder and give it just a little bit of extra something. Okay, so I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna cut it pretty much in the middle, pull off a couple, and then retain the string, because that I'm gonna use to put it around our candle holder. I hope you like it, and I hope it gives you inspiration to create a display of your own. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and you be blessed.